This is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, connect your device to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign in if necessary. At the search bar, type in Opera query. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively, which you will see now. It does not take a lot of time. Then launch the app. In here, while opening Opera browser for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap at the blue continue button, decide whether you're ready to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can skip the step. And finally, on this page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app already. So that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.